In this video, I'm going to show you how to check internet speed. So firstly, open any web browser and then type check internet speed. Then press enter. So you will find a list of sites which provide you internet speed. I will select speedtest.net. So click on it. Now in here click on go. Now wait for a while till the processor will be complete. It will check download and upload speeds. That's it. So it's a provide now upload speeds. So as we can see now, download speed this 45 Mbps and upload speeds is about 10 Mbps. So by this quick and very easy method we can know how to check internet speed. Thanks for watching.